In this video, we will guide you through the declaration part of the PIP-2 form. It is important to note that the PIP-2 form cannot be completed online. It must be a paper form that is sent to you from the DWP. For more information on how to get this form, contact Dash on 020 884 88319. Declaration. In this part of the form, they're going to ask you to declare that the information you have given on the form is correct and complete as far as you know and believe. You understand that if you knowingly give false information, your benefit may be stopped and you may be liable to prosecution or other action. You understand that you must promptly tell the office that pays your personal independence payment of anything that may affect your entitlement to or the amount of that benefit. You understand that the Department for Work and Pensions may use the information which has now or may get in the future to decide whether you're entitled to the benefit you are claiming, any other benefit you have claimed, and any other benefits you may claim or be awarded in the future. Please sign, date, and print your name at the bottom of the declaration page. Where to send the completed PIP-2 form. Please return the completed form to this address. Put the completed form in the envelope provided, making sure the address shows through the envelope window. The envelope doesn't need a stamp unless you live outside the United Kingdom. If you've access to the internet, you can get information about personal independence payment by going to the Personal Independence Payment website, www.gov.uk/PIP. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020 884 88319, or alternatively, email them at info@dash.org.uk.